Hello all. Topic of this video session is transportation problems in operations research. In operations research, the simplex procedure can be regarded as the most generalized method for linear programming problems. However, there is another class of allocation methods which is applied to a lot of practical problems, generally called transportation problems. Whenever it is possible to place the given linear programming problem in the transportation framework, it is easier to solve it by transportation technique than by simplex. Nature of the transportation problem is, if there are more than one center called origins from where the goods need to be shipped to more than one place called destinations, and costs of shipping from each of the origins to each of the destinations being different and known, the problem is to ship the goods from various origins to different destinations in such a manner that the cost of shipping or transportation is minimum. Objective of the transportation problem is to transport various amounts of a single homogeneous commodity that are initially stored at various origins to different destinations in such a way that the total transportation cost is minimum. Mathematical model or formulation of the transportation problem can be given like this. Consider a transportation problem with m origins, rows, and n destinations, columns. Let Cij be the cost of transporting one unit of the product from ith origin to jth destination. Ai, the quantity of commodity available at origin I. Bj, the quantity of commodity needed at destination j. Xij, the quantity transported from ith origin to jth destination. The linear programming model representing this transportation problem is given as minimize the objective function z is equal to summation from I is equal to 1 to m, summation from j is equal to 1 to n, Cij xj. Subject to the constraints, summation j is equal to 1 to n xij is equal to aij for all I is equal to 1 to n, that is row sum, and summation I is equal to 1 to m, xij is equal to bij, j is equal to 1 to n, that is column sum, where xij is greater than or equal to 0 for all I and j. The transportation problem is said to be balanced if summation I is equal to 1 to m ai is equal to summation j is equal to 1 to n bj. That is, if total supply is equal to the total demand. And this, if the transportation problem is balanced with this formula, it is actually the existence, necessary and sufficient condition for the existence of feasible solution of transportation problem also. Thank you.